Today we are talking about 3 reasons why you need to know your numbers as a business owner. And I don't want to hear from these business owners like, yeah, I'm running a business, but I don't know my numbers and I don't like to know about numbers. That you like, no. You know that you're wrong. You need to know your numbers. You don't have to like them, but you need to know them. And here is 3 reasons why. Reason number 1 is going to help you manage your budget and your spending to keep you out of debt. We don't want to be going into debt as a new business. Reason number 2, it helps you plan and prepare for your taxes in advance so you don't have that stressy mess at the end of the year or when tax season comes around. You're just nice and cool and calm and managing things very well, and we're avoiding burnout. Rule number 3, cash is king, okay? Business owners need to stop this mindset of, I need a profit, I need to make profit. It's not about profit, it's about cash. If you don't have cash, you can't run your business effectively. So we need to know the cash position of our business at any moment in time, okay? So stick around, we're going to be going through those in a bit more detail to help you understand how and why to achieve those things in your business. If you like the content, please remember to like, share, subscribe and follow so you can be updated when the next video hits. And leave me a comment, let me know what you think. If these videos are beneficial to you or they're helpful to you, I'd really appreciate if you'd let me know so I know what to keep bringing you guys. Other than that, people, see you later.